In this video, we are going to discuss that how you can make around 5 to 10k a month by selling Go High Level websites. In this video, basically from pre-made templates, we'll create Go High Level websites using Go High Level for local businesses, and I'll tell you that how you can create the websites without coding, without programming, or without design knowledge, only using the pre-made templates. And then I'll also tell you that how you can find clients, how you can reach out to them, and how to pitch them, so that this video is a complete business package. You watch this full video and you are able to start your own business. So here we are on Go High Level, and this is the dashboard. If you are already the Go High Level user, then it's perfect, but if you are not, go to link in description and sign up for 14 days free trial and test it out, because if you are an agency owner or freelancer, then this tool is best for you. As a marketer, as a freelancer, as an agency owner, I can tell you that this tool is amazing and you must try it. Now here we are on the Go High Level dashboard, and from here we will be developing the websites. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on bell icon for latest side hustle ideas, business ideas, and also don't forget to subscribe to my newsletter. The link is in description, where on weekly basis, on daily basis, I publish latest online business ideas, side hustle ideas, and AI business ideas. So now let's just get back to the video. So here we are on the Go High Level dashboard, and from here I'll tell you how to create the website. But first of all, let me just show you that how you can find clients to create for these websites, and how you can sell those websites. And for one website you can charge around $400 to $1,000, and if you are delivering 5 to 10 websites a month, your target is achieved. So to find the clients for your business, what you have to do is you just have to go to Google, and there you have to search let's say barbers in Toronto, Canada, and just go to maps. And when you will go to maps, here you can see you have a lot of businesses here. You have barbers, and you have all kinds of businesses here. Let me just go back. Yep, from there, more businesses here. Okay, so here you can see there are a lot of businesses, and on the top there are top businesses, so we'll not reach out to them. But what we'll do is we'll find in the number 3 or number 4. And what we have to find is we have to find the businesses who don't have the websites. Okay, so I'll just go below and below, and most of them has website, because this is a top city, metro city, so there these are people are developed, and most of the people preferred the websites. Okay, so here you can see Proper Barbers Inc, they don't have a website. Now what you have to do is you just have to reach out to them, that I just saw your business when I was searching for barbers in Toronto. I just saw your business, but you don't have website, and I have built a website for you, or I can build a website for you. And you can just call them, or you can just text them. You can just reach out to them, and you can just tell them that I want to create a website for you. Or you will find a lot of businesses here. Like, let me say search for in Lahore. So if I'll search for this city, you will see most of the businesses don't have the website. So what you have to do is you just have to call them, or you have to just find their Facebook. From their Facebook you can reach out to them via Facebook. You can reach out to them via their email. You can find their email on Facebook as well. After reaching out, if they are satisfied, they want to go with you, just go to Go High Level and go to sites. Let's say you want to create a website for barbers, so here you will just have to go to websites, and here in websites just hit new website, and from templates click continue. And here you have a very large template library from where you can just select a website template. Let's say I want to create a website for a barber, so I'll just search for barber. So here you can see we have 4 templates for barbers only. So this is the one. If you want to preview it, you can preview each of them one by one. this is the one. Then um, or you can search for salon. Here, salon expert services. Let's say I want to create a website for salon, so I'll just select this website. I just like this website here, salon, and I'll just, let me just or let's say we'll just go for barber. We'll go for barber. This is the barber shop website, a template. We will just click continue, select it, and hit get this template, and you will get this template and the website would be created for you. And now you just have to make a few edits, and you just have to present this website to that of your client, and you have to tell them that I'll charge that much for this website, or you can charge them on monthly basis. And I'll just reload the website now, the dashboard. And here you go. After reloading, you can see we have this barber website ready. Now if you want to just see this website, let's just first of all edit it. So I'll just hit edit, and here we have the website. We have the home page, shop page, services page, about page, and the contact page. Then we have the stats of the website, how much people visited and all that kind of stuff. And then we have the sales, how much sales we got from this website. You can just create website for like for your client, and you can create another section for your each of your client, you can create unlimited websites if you are having their pro plan. And from here you can also like if the client approves this website, you can just add the domain name. Like this website would be on GoHighLevel.com, but you can add a new custom domain as well. I'll just go back, and from here let's just first edit these things. Let's say I want to edit the home page, so I'll hit edit, edit in new tab. It would open in new tab, and from there I can edit each and everything from the website. Here you go. Here I am on the website editor, and this is the barbershop website template. Let's say I want to just change it. So I want to create one for this one, Sikandar Salon. So I'll just go there in editor. I'll say Sikandar Salon. Then book an appointment page. Then you have the open hours. You want to edit anything, just hit on it, edit it. If you want to edit any pictures, you can just change the background image of it from here. So here you have like click on any section. From here you can edit their settings, their colors. If you want to change the color schemes, you can edit any text you want, you can edit any pictures you want, and you can edit each and everything. You can also edit the form here. From here you can just select the form, and like you can edit each and everything from here, even this copyright, etc., these social links. Just hit on it, hit settings, and you can just edit the social link as well. Then on the top is the menu. You can also edit the menu as well. This is the logo. If you want to edit the logo, you can edit the logo. And everything is editable. You just need to edit it, and after editing just hit save, or if you want to preview it, you can hit preview to preview your website. Then one by one just edit all the pages, and your website would be ready, and just present it to your customer. If they like it, just ask them to buy a domain name which would be around, like let's say the Sikandar Salon. Okay, so the website would be sikandarsalon.com, because right now it's on this domain, app.gohighlevel.com/preview/ this one. But if you want to add here sikandarsalon.com, so you will have to buy a domain name. So how to buy a domain name, let me just show you. Just go to settings and hit on add edit domains, add new domain, and here add a domain name after you bought it. You can bought it from the link in description below, and you can buy a domain name from there. Then you will get the complete guide on how to add your domain name. Just add the domain name, and or you can just watch this complete tutorial on YouTube about how to just add domain name to the to your GoHighLevel website. After this is done, you can charge them 500, 600 at any amount you just fixed it. And regarding reaching out via email, you can use multiple softwares. You can find links to some of them in description, and you can just create your own business. And also here in agency, this is a CRM as well, GoHighLevel. If you don't know about it, you can do all kinds of marketing. You can just get the payments. You can, this is a complete CRM for freelancers and agencies. So you can use it as a CRM. You can create websites, you can create funnels, you can run marketing campaigns, and you can do each and everything in GoHighLevel. You also have a client portal. You can create forms and surveys, etc., etc., and it would be like, you know, a lot easy for you. You can there are a lot long courses on YouTube. You can watch one of course on GoHighLevel, and you can just master it, and you can start your own web design or marketing agency using GoHighLevel. So that was all about this video, and I hope you liked the video. I hope you liked the idea. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.